Hey guys, so welcome to another video. So today we're going to be doing this air freshener DIY. So yeah, if you guys are interested in learning how to redo your air freshener without having to spend so much money on replacements, just keep on watching. So with the first thing you're gonna need for this is gonna be an empty air freshener refiller, and we're gonna be adding some lavender oil. And you're going to be adding half of lavender oil into your little jar. Okay, so next step is going to be adding the rest, fill up the rest of the little container with your regular tap water. Just going to be adding that water into your refillable little container. After that, you guys just replace it. You guys put it back into your little cute little air freshener plug-in thingy. Mine's this little pink mason jar. It's super cute. I got it at Bath and Body Works, and it's super cute, but just, you know, those little refillables can be kind of pricey, so it's like an easier way. If you guys are interested, you guys can use any type of essential oil you guys like, any scent. You guys can even mix scents. You can put half of one and half of the other, and like I said, just fill up half and then just fill the rest with water. I do suggest that every once in a while you guys do go and shake it up, just so the oil doesn't stay on the top. But yeah, you guys, here I'm going to show you how it looks plugged in. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like this video if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell so you guys can see when I have a new video up. But yeah, so I'll have some more DIYs coming soon. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.